Hi everyone, it's Monica Harms from the Garbutt Dumas real estate
Market
team.
is on fire.
And today we're at one of our new listings. It is right in North Coquitlam, walking distance to everything.
Location.
You've got Brown Social House, LaFarge Lake, Town Center, Coquitlam Centre. This place is close to everything. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath, over 1,000 square feet.
Spacious.
With an open concept floor plan in the kitchen and throughout, stone counters, this is a must-see. Come check it out.
Literally the best floor plan in the building.